If you need to write a legal document for money owed, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, you can of course use this as a template and just customize it according to your needs, but the basic structure will be the same. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's write this legal document for money owed. And of course, I'm just going to state now that all the details that I'm putting in here are placeholders, but you need to just adjust this to your own needs accordingly. So here we go. The first section that we're going to enter in here is, in fact, just this debt acknowledgement and repayment agreement is made as of, and you're going to add a date, your current date. And then it's by and between your creditor's name as well as your debtor's name. And then we need an address as well. So for each one of these parties. So whoever is borrowing or lending the money, whoever is receiving that money, we're going to put that in here. The next section over here is acknowledgement of debt. So you just need to acknowledge that this is actually happening, of the amount. We're going to add in over here the amount owed, and you'll see also this debt arose from, and you're going to put a small description in here just so that you have a reason, and it is stated here. This could be any type of reason, such as a loan, services rendered, whatever the case may be. You're going to add it in over here. The next section is the payment terms. The payment terms are relatively important. This will allow you to understand when and how and in what frequency you will be paying your loan or your debt or whatever money you are owing here. So we've got a payment schedule, and it says specify the payment schedule. So make sure that you are specifying in detail. Over here it says debtor shall make monthly payments of an amount due on a specific day of each month. You can change that to fit your specific needs, and then you also have a first payment due date, and you need to just add that in there. We also have the payment method, so you need to just agree upon a payment method so that it is stated and it's on black and white. So you want to make sure that you are adding account name, bank name, account number, and routing number, and all of the other details in over here. The next section is late payments. If there are late payments, you can add this clause in here, and you can make sure that you are stating that if it is not received within a certain number of days, then it is a late fee that will be charged, and you're going to put that late fee in over here, and you can then remove this if it is not necessary. As I mentioned, it doesn't have to be exactly like this. If you want to remove that, you can. You also want to make sure that it is according to the state law. So here's a statement that just says this agreement shall be governed by a construed in accordance with the laws of the state. And then you're just going to put your state in over here, or your region. And then the entire agreement, this agreement constitutes the entire understanding between the parties regarding the subject matter hereof. Okay, so here you want to just make sure that you are reading through this section, because this is stating that whatever has been said in this agreement, both parties that will be involved here are agreeing to this. And then in witness of, you're going to put the creditor's signature, the full name and date of the creditor, and then the debtor, we want the signature, name and date as well. And guess what? You have successfully constructed a legal document for money owed. I hope this video was helpful.